Ki Longkmie jong Madanrting ki iakynduh lang haka arpun riu tarik Naitung hajar arpu haka Shillong Press Club ban Pynpaw paitbah ke Jingsngewsih ke jongki haka baya day bat ke jingshah pynbud nam ke shnong ka daw jongki kam sniew ki bala jyllei haka katei ke jaka. Haba kren chigilat pathai khubor is secretary ka Seng Kynthei Madanrting i Kong A Nongkhlaw iathuh baka shnong ka don hapdeng ke jingshongyier ke bala mi ni ki kam sniew kum ke jingdon ki nongdik drok bat kiwei. Hakabaya day bat kani Kong Nongkhlaw iathuh shushu bagi kena samla ke balangat katei ke kerni ke jingdi drok ki don kam ya ke jaka jingsumar ni rehabilitation center ke banyarap eki hakaba ki dawai bat ya ke jingselok ke babiang harengkat ke jinghikai syapang ki kam ki bakila bantrei kenang bakin yo apat ban kersan yaladi haka imlang salang bat kam tam ban light na ke jingte jingkhum jong jingdi penbuai. Kong Nongkhlaw ila benrap ru daka boong baka shnong kala jinghikai ka bakerpang lani ka awareness program ya ki brio ka dong pensengaw syaki ka sniew ka ba day bat udrok. Haka juk kapor ila khubor ru ya DGP ka Meghalaya L R Bishnoi balalit hi dala dia ban yu kejat haka dong Madanrting bantip kambnya syapang ki jing ki baki shnong katei ke jaka ki iakynduh kapor syakapor.
Acted very enthusiastically with all the community people of Madanrting. So he is very concerned about the youth being so much indulged in this substance abuse, and he want to find some kind of a remedy so that most of our youths will be safe, because they belong to the future generation of our state and the country as a whole.
So area is a mixed locality, yeah. And you have traditional heads Seng Kynthei. So how will you reach out to people who are affected or doing this to arrest this trend?
See, we have also conducted many drug awareness program to educate the school children and the youth on the dangers of drugs and how to cope with this situation. That we have been doing it in our locality.
What about the rehabilitation?
Regarding rehabilitation, I am very sad to say that we have rehabilitation here in our Shillong city and maybe in the outskirts, but all these are on payment basis. So, but the drug users are comprising of different kind of youths, poor, rich. So the rich children can be treated, can be rehabilitated, no matter how expensive it is. But what we are concerned is about the common youths who are indulging in this kind of substance abuse. For them, it will be very difficult to go for any treatment. Rather, we have some NGOs who have reached out to our community also for doing this detoxification, and all these things have been there from Jingshah. They have been reaching our locality with all these. But however, we from the Seng Kynthei, we urge the government to come up with more rehabilitation center, which will be accompanied with vocational center, because that will help to accommodate the mind of these drug abusers, and at the same time they will be skilled with something which may be of some betterment for them in future.
Female drug users are on the rise, so what role you can play to reduce this?
See, drug abusers, it's not gender based, it can be male and female, but see, treatment is always the same, and we from the ladies, it is not that we are concerned only with the female, but also the male in general, because they will all be suffering with this abuse.